Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best drones on the market. We'll review the S188 GPS Rc Drone, L900 PRO GPS Drone, K911 MAX GPS Rc Drone, Tubro FPV Rc Drone, and the L200 PRO MAX Drone. Stay tuned as we explore their features, performance, and what makes each one stand out for aerial photography enthusiasts. Let's get started. Number 5. The S188 GPS Rc Drone is a remarkable gadget featuring 4K HD dual cameras and advanced aerial photography capabilities. It boasts GPS positioning for one-click return, automatic return on low power, and loss of control. The dual cameras with optical flow fixed height mode and obstacle avoidance on all 4 sides enhance its stability and safety. Equipped with 6 channels and a gyroscope, the drone supports various movements and fine-tuning, making it user-friendly. The 5G Wi-Fi system facilitates real-time transmission, emergency stop, trajectory flight, and intelligent follow. The 180 degrees adjustable front lens ensures comprehensive views. With foldable arms and blades, 8 LED night lights, and a compact design, it's highly portable. Despite a 22-minute usage time and a 60 to 80-minute charging period, its performance and ease of use make it a top choice for aerial enthusiasts. The rechargeable remote and mobile app operation add to its convenience and versatility. Number 4. The L200 PRO MAX Drone is a powerhouse for aerial enthusiasts, featuring advanced technology and robust design. Equipped with a 2-axis EIS anti-shake gimbal and a 4K HD camera, it ensures stable footage with excellent image quality. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system and GPS-assisted flight guarantee safe and precise maneuvers, including automatic return to home when necessary. The drone's foldable design and lightweight body make it highly portable at just 216 grams. Utilizing 5G Wi-Fi for real-time transmission up to 1,200 meters, it connects seamlessly with the app for remote control functionality. The brushless motors and 6-axis gyro provide stability and durability, while optical flow positioning enhances stability during indoor flights. With a flight time of up to 20 minutes on a 7.4 volt at 1,600 mAh battery, the L200 PRO MAX offers an exceptional flying experience packed with features like GPS follow, gesture control, and more. Number 3. The K911 MAX GPS Rc Drone is an impressive 8K professional quadcopter, perfect for both indoor and outdoor aerial photography. Built with durable ABS, metal, and electronic components, it features a powerful 1503 brushless motor and offers a remote control distance of up to 1,200 meters on a 2.4 GHz frequency. The dual-mode GPS and optical flow positioning ensure stable flights, while the 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance provides enhanced safety. Its ESC-adjustable 90 degrees camera, capable of 8K pixel resolution, captures stunning visuals with 50x zoom and dual camera switching. The drone's 7.4 volt 2,500 mAh battery offers about 25 minutes of flight time, and it supports 5G HD image transmission. With features like one-key return, low-power return, intelligent follow, gesture photography, and fixed-point circling, it's user-friendly and versatile. Its foldable design, 15.5 by 9 by 8 centimeters folded, 32 by 32 by 8 centimeters unfolded, makes it easy to carry. Charging takes about 2 hours via USB. The K911 MAX is an exceptional choice for enthusiasts seeking high-quality aerial photography and advanced functionality. Number 2. The L900 PRO GPS Drone is a fantastic choice for beginners seeking professional aerial photography. Equipped with a 4K dual HD camera and a brushless motor, it delivers stunning visuals and stable flight performance. Weighing only 100 grams, this foldable quadcopter is highly portable. Its remote control distance reaches up to 1,200 meters, and it offers a flight time of 5 to 10 minutes, powered by a 7.4 volt 2,200 mAh lithium battery. The 2.4G frequency ensures a reliable connection, while the Wi-Fi image transmission range of 300 to 600 meters supports real-time viewing. Its 120 degrees camera lens and hand gesture shooting or video recognition within 1 to 3 meters enhance user experience. With features like one-key return, GPS positioning, and app control, it's user-friendly and versatile. Despite a longer charging time of about 4 hours, its lightweight build, foldable design, and impressive capabilities make the L900 Pro an excellent drone for indoor and outdoor use. Number 1. The Tubro FPV Rc Drone is a high-performance quadcopter perfect for professional aerial photography. Featuring a 4K HD adjustable camera with a 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal, electronic stabilization, and laser obstacle avoidance, it ensures smooth, high-quality footage. The drone supports one-key GPS return, GPS smart follow, image follow, and gesture shooting recognition within 1 to 3 meters, making it user-friendly. It offers route multi-point planning and fixed-point circling for advanced shooting techniques. The aircraft retrieval function enhances safety by displaying the final distance and position on a map. Equipped with a brushless 2204 motor, it boasts a flight altitude of 800 meters and a flight time of about 25 minutes. Charging takes around 6 hours for the 11.55-volt smart lithium battery. The remote control has a 3.5-hour charging time and a 3-hour battery life. Despite the lengthy charging period, the Tubro FPV's robust features, including 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and versatile sharing options, make it an excellent choice for professionals.